sir. Well, I have to. Actually, sir, you only explained the theory part, sir. Today you said you will do the exercises.
Okay, so you will understand after doing the exercise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
So
I
can I
told
ask
you.
you a question?
Yes.
Why is there a class on Saturday?
Why is there a class on Saturday?
Yes, sir. Today actually, today.
Why? Your class schedule is not on Saturday.
No, sir. It is on Tuesday and Thursday, right?
2 days in a week.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I have received the class schedule of today's. That's why I attended the class. Actually, you should ask our communication team. Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Like you get the message of class on WhatsApp. I also get the class schedule on WhatsApp. Okay. And then I join the link.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But I will ask that you were saying this. So I will ask them. You can also ask on our WhatsApp channel that you receive message from. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is there any other question you have?
No, sir.
So should we start today's topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
the first thing. Yes.
Sorry, sir. I actually joined from another device, so I can't hear you properly sometimes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, so if I do not answer, excuse me.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
If you don't give any answer for any question, then I will ask again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now we have to start with cash. Now, what is cash? So you have studied cash account, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about cash account?
Every transaction related to cash will go in cash book, sir.
Okay, and
every purchases related to cash will also go in cash book, sir.
okay, cash book is a part of subsidiary book. Which is prepared to record all the cash transaction. Cash transaction in chronological order. In this book, all cash receipts are recorded on the debit side cash receipts are recorded on the debit side. And all cash payment are recorded on credit side. So this is the definition of cash. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So there is total 8 subsidiary book. Total subdivision of journal is 8. Okay. Journal is divided into 8 parts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, in this subsidiary book, the first part is cash. Okay. In cash book, we record all the cash transaction, nothing else, only cash transaction. Either it is a payment or it is a receipt. We record both of these transactions in our cash book. All the receipts of cash are recorded on the debit side, and all the receipt of all the payment of cash is recorded on the credit side. Is this clear?
Okay, sir.
Now, there is a question I have for you about cash flow. Let's say you have received 500 rupees in a month. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you have done some expenses and you paid 350 rupees.
Okay, sir.
So what will be the balance of cash?
250.
Just calculate it again.
Sir, I'm receiving 500, right, sir, every month. And I'm purchasing things for 350.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So, is it not 250?
Think about it. Calculate it again. You will see.
Oh, okay, sir. Oh, okay, sir. 150, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, 150. Okay.
Yes.
Now, there can be a situation where you received 500 rupees, but you have done expenses for 600 rupees in cash.
Yes, sir.
This can happen.
It cannot, sir, actually.
Why?
Because we don't have enough to pay for that purchase.
Yes, and I'm not saying about credit expenses. Okay, credit purchase. I'm saying that you have received 500 rupees in cash, and can you do the expenses for 600 in cash? So the answer is no. Okay, because you have only 500, you cannot pay amount more than 500 to someone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
It cannot happen. So it means that if you have 500 rupees, then you can only pay equal to 500 or less than 500, not more than 500.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it means you always have some positive balance of cash. There is no negative balance of cash that we record in a.
Okay, sir.
So it means the receipt side will always be more than the payment side, or you can say the debit side will always be more than credit side, or it will be equal to the credit side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will talk about features of cash, and feature derived from definition part. Okay. So if you read this definition, you will understand the feature of cash. Can you tell me one or two features?
Features of cash book, sir.
Yes.
The one you just said right now.
What?
Eh?
What I told you just now.
About how debit side is always higher than the credit side. And how it can only be equal.
Okay. So the first feature of cash book is it is a subsidiary book. As well as principal. Means cash book is same as cash account. Okay. And ledger is called principal book. I told you about that ledger is a principal book. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this is the subsidiary book we are studying right now. So cash book is part of subsidiary book, but it is similar to the cash account. That's why it is also a principal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So it is same as ledger. That's why it is principal book, and it is part of subsidiary book. That's why it is also called subsidiary. Second is it has all the cash receipts are recorded on the debit side. Okay. And all the cash payment are recorded on the credit side. So feature always derive from definition. So some of the line that is given in definition also comes in features. Okay, so you can see there is two lines of debit side and credit side, all the cash receipts and all the cash payment. It is also included in features. Now the fourth,
Okay.
cash always have positive or debit balance. Okay. And there is this last feature that cash flow can be single, double, and or triple column. So there is three types of cash book: single column, double column cash book, and triple column cash book. Means in these accounts, in these types of cash book, we prepare how many column for amount. If there is only one column for amount on both sides, debit and credit, then it is called single column cash. If there is two columns for amount on the debit side and credit side, then it is double column cash book. And when we prepare three column for amount on the debit side and credit side also, then it is triple column cash book. Is this clear?
Okay, sir.
So you want to write this?
Yes, sir.
Please write. And then we will discuss the format of cash book and then will solve quotient.
Okay, sir. Sir, I finished, sir.
So now there is three types of cash flow. The first is single column. The second is double column. The third is triple column. And there is one more, but it is different from cash flow. It is called petty cash flow. Okay, so these are types of cash flow. Now the first one is single column cash flow. format is the same as ledger. You can see here. Date, particular, here it is LF, amount, then date, particular, LF, and amount. This is credit and this is debit. For now, first of all, we write the year here and then date here. To balance BD, cash would always start with opening balance on the debit side. Okay, and then it closes the balance on the credit side by balance sheet. It is similar to the ledger account that we have already completed. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Do you remember ledger? How to prepare ledger?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to balance BD and by balance CD, the total is written here in the total cell. And after writing all the items on the debit side and credit side, how we do the totaling? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. The highest number will be written in both sides, sir.
Yes, the highest amount.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the highest amount is written on both sides total. And then we calculate the balance. Balance is calculated on the side which has lower amount. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the balance amount is difference between the total of highest side and total of higher side and total of lower side. It is the difference between these two, and we write it in front of by balance CD. Next year or in next period, this balance is transferred to the debit side of the cash. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I just told you which items are debited in cash.
Yes, sir.
Which items are debited in cash? This is the question.
Money.
Only money?
Yes, sir.
It is not correct.
I don't.
Yes.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, so all the cash receipts are written on the debit side.
Okay, sir.
Now, if we write all the cash receipts on the debit side, then what will be written on the credit side?
Payable amount.
The amount paid.
Oh, amount paid. Okay, sir.
Now, so all the cash receipts, you have to remember this, all the cash receipts will be written on the debit side, all the cash payment will be written on the credit side. Okay, and the debit side will always be higher than credit side, because if you have cash, then you can pay cash. Okay, that's why there will be some always debit balance in cash. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me in which situation cash book will have no opening balance?
In which situation?
In which
Company is
situation?
newly opened.
Yes. So if the company is newly opened, it is started in current year, then there will be no opening balance, because the business is started in this year. That there will be no closing balance in previous year. That's why no opening balance in current year.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So generally, the cash book always have debit balance in this starting or as a starting point. But in the year of starting the business, there will be no debit balance. All the cash receipts will be debited, all the cash payment will be credited, and the balance is always debit balance, that is positive balance. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is our cash book format. And do you understand the every column I have prepared in cash book? See the name of column and tell me that you understood.
No, so what? I do not get what you just said, sir. Can you repeat what you just said?
Yes, I'm saying see the format I have prepared. Okay, and read the name of the column, all the columns, and tell me that you understood all the column name.
Oh, okay, sir. Date, particulars, ledger folio amount, date, particulars, ledger folio amount.
So there is no confusion in column name.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, can you see the question here?
No, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, read question number first. Question number 1.
Enter the following transaction of Ripender.
Yes.
Ripender in a single column cash book and balance.
Yes.
Ripender started business.
With
So
capital.
Yes, sir. With capital.
Oh. So let's try. Yes.
No, sir. I was continuing the question.
So this is a format of single column cash book. Question number 1. You'll write here cash. And you can also write Ripinder here. Date particular LS amount date here credit here debit. So first of all, we have to write the year. It is 2020. Actually, it is created very small. So first transaction is on January 1st. Ripinder started business with cash. Now, if we discuss the journal entry, it is cash account debit to capital account, but we don't have to see the journal entry here. It will be maybe little confusing, but if you understand the concept, nothing is confusing. But when you write all the receipt and payment, okay, you record the transaction on the basis of their nature, that is receipt or payment, then it will be more easy for you to record these transactions. So Ripinder started business with cash. It means cash is coming into business. Yes, there is a receipt of cash. Yes.
Cash.
Yes, there is a receipt of cash in the starting business. So we will write it here to capital account. 2 lakh. After that, it is purchase furniture for cash. Now, if you purchase furniture for cash, then it is a receipt or payment.
It is a receipt, sir.
Purchase furniture for cash, it is a payment. When you purchase furniture for cash, then furniture is coming for you, but your cash is going.
Oh, okay, sir.
So we see that cash is, we are receiving cash or we are paying cash. Nothing else matter here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to see the receipt or payment of cash, only cash. Furniture account, it is 50,000. The next transaction is purchase goods for cash. It is a payment or receipt.
Purchase
Goods for cash.
goods for cash. It is a receipt.
Again, it is a payment. How do you think it is a receipt?
Because you get receipt.
What you receive?
I receive goods, sir.
And what I told you to look for? Yes.
Cash.
Only cash. So why you are saying goods?
Because we are receiving goods and we are giving cash, sir.
Yes, you have to see only cash. That cash is we are receiving or cash we are paying.
We are paying cash, sir.
Yes, so it is a payment.
Okay, sir. So if we receive a cash, it means it is receipt.
You have to focus only on cash. You have to see cash is coming or cash is going.
Okay, sir.
Nothing else. Goods, furniture, leave the things, leave these things. No assets, no goods, no person is to be considered here. We have to consider only cash. We have to see only cash is coming or cash is going. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in purchase goods for cash, cash is going. It is a payment. So by purchase account, it is 30,000. Next is paid freight.
Paid rent.
Paid freight.
Fred.
Yes.
Is it a name?
No. Paid freight means it is expensive.
Oh. Payable, sir.
Payable, not payable. It is paid.
Okay, sir. Paid.
So on January 5th by freight, it is 500. Again, sold goods for cash.
Sold goods. Oh, it is receipt, sir. You're receiving cash.
Yes, in this we are receiving cash. So January 7th to sales, 28,000. Okay. Paid to Ramesh.
Paid to Ramesh.
Yes.
Paid, sir.
So January 10th by Ramesh. It is 20,000. Next is sold goods for cash. It is again a receipt. January 15 to sales. Sold goods for Ramesh. It is 10,000. Now, paid wages. It is also a payment of expenses. So it is payment by wages. It is also 10,000. After this, purchased goods from Raj on credit.
Purchased goods.
From Raj on credit.
Shouldn't it not be in credit?
Yes.
Sir, it should not be in cash book.
Yes, this transaction will not be recorded because there is no cash receipt or cash payment. So
Yes, sir.
it is a credit transaction, and I told you that every credit purchase will be recorded in purchase book.
Okay, sir.
But we don't have to prepare purchase book, so leave this transaction. Next is paid rent by check. Now, this transaction will be recorded or not.
Paid rent by check.
Yes.
No, sir.
Right.
Because it should be in bank.
Yes, it should be in bank, so we don't have to record this transaction also. Now,
Yes, sir.
we will calculate the total of both sides. Which side do you think is have more amount?
Debit side, sir.
How much it is? It is 2,38,000, and on the credit side, it is 50, 30, 80, 1,10,500. Yes, the credit side is more, so 2,38,000. 2,38,000. Now, the balance is calculated on last date of the month, so January 31st, by balance CD. So the total is 1,10,500. It will be 1,27,500. And this balance will be in next month beginning. It will be written on the debit side again. To balance BD 1,27,500. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? It is simple than cash book or it is hard?
It is simpler, sir. It is simple.
Yes, because you just have to think about cash receipt or cash payment. So it is very easy in that way.
Yes, sir.
So there is only one transaction in this portion which is related to credit one. So in cash book, we don't record any credit transaction in which there is no cash payment or receipt. So that's why we have not recorded the transaction which is on credit basis. Now, so do you have any doubt in this portion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, there is this second portion here. You can see on April 4th. Please read the transaction.
Only the April 4th, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Purchased following assets for business: computer rupees 16,000, furniture rupees 18,500, and machineries rupees 32,000. Payment made by check. That's it.
Okay. So how it will be recorded in our cash book?
In one purchased following assets, it will be recorded in the credit side.
Credit side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Why it will be recorded on the credit side?
Because we are giving money and we are receiving a product.
Okay. We are giving money and we are receiving different assets. That's why. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But the transaction is not in cash.
They do not mention if it is cash payment or credit payment.
The transaction is cash. Okay. Transaction is on cash basis because there is no name written here. It means we have paid the amount, but the payment is made by check.
Oh,
Yes.
yes, sir. I did not see it.
Yes. So read the question carefully so that you get all the points that is written in the question. Now, read the April 19th transaction.
Okay, sir. Sold for cash of the goods purchased from Bunash to Ali
Bhushan.
Bhushan to Ali Krishnan at a profit of 25% and allowed him trade discount of 5%.
Okay. So how this transaction will be recorded?
1 minute, sir. Let me read it again. It will be recorded in the credit side, sir.
In credit side?
No, sir, in the debit side, sir. Yes, sir, debit side, sir.
Okay. What will be the amount?
The amount will be 2,700, sir.
2,700 is paid for stationery. It is transaction just before.
Um,
Actually,
40,000.
amount, yes, 40,000. We have purchased goods from Bhushan in cash, 40,000, and half of these goods, 40,000, that is 20,000, is sold to Anil Krishna at a profit of 25%. So we have sold only goods worth rupees 20,000 at a profit of 25%, means 20,000 into 25%, it will be 5,000. So total is 20,000 plus 5,000, 25,000. Again, we have allowed him a trade discount of 5%. So 25,000 into 5%, it will be 1,150. The amount will be 23,007. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
The purchase amount from Bhushan is 40,000, and we have sold one half of it, that is 20,000, and we have added 25% profit on this, that is 5,000. It means 25,000, and we have deducted 5% with discount, that is 1,250. So the balance is 23,750. Okay, so this is your transaction amount. It will be written on the debit side of cash. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So question number 2 and question number 3 will be your